How to bake without eggs. Eggs serve several purposes in baking. They contribute to the structure, color, flavor, and consistency of baked goods in various ways. 1. Leavening. Eggs trap pockets of air in foods, causing them to expand during heating. 2. Flavor and appearance. Eggs help improve the taste of baked goods and contribute to their golden brown appearance. 3. Binding. Eggs help combine ingredients and hold them together. This gives food its structure and prevents it from falling apart. 4. Moisture. The liquid from eggs is absorbed into the other ingredients in a recipe, which helps add moisture to the finished product. There are various reasons why you may need to find a substitute for eggs in your diet. That doesn't mean that you can't bake. We have 10 fantastic egg substitutes for you. Subscribe now. Carbonated water adds moisture to a recipe, plus it acts as a great leavening agent. The carbonation traps air bubbles, which help make the finished product light and fluffy. 1 egg equals 1/4 cup or 60 grams of carbonated water. Yogurt or buttermilk. Use plain yogurt, as flavored and sweetened varieties may alter the flavor of your recipe. 1 egg equals 1/4 cup or 60 grams of yogurt or buttermilk. Vinegar and baking soda start a chemical reaction that produces carbon dioxide and water. It makes baked goods light and airy. 1 egg equals 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 tablespoon vinegar. Flax seeds are high in omega-3 fatty acids. They may cause baked goods to become heavy and dense. 1 egg equals 1 teaspoon ground flaxseed and 3 tablespoons of water. Mashed banana or other mashed foods like pumpkin and avocado. Your finished product may have a mild banana flavor. 1 egg equals 1/4 cup banana. Aquafaba is the term for the leftover liquid from cooking beans or legumes. Aquafaba works especially well in recipes that call for just egg whites. 1 egg equals 3 tablespoons of aquafaba. Ground chia seeds, they're high in omega-3 fatty acids, may cause baked goods to become heavy and dense. 1 egg equals 1 teaspoon ground chia seeds and 3 tablespoons of water. Gelatin. It's an animal protein. If you avoid animal products, use agar-agar instead. May create a slightly stiffer texture. 1 egg equals 1 tablespoon gelatin powder, 1 tablespoon cold water, and 2 tablespoons of boiling water. Agar-agar is a vegan alternative obtained from a type of seaweed or algae. It may create a slightly stiffer texture. 1 egg equals 1 tablespoon gelatin powder, 1 tablespoon cold water, and 2 tablespoons of boiling water. Nut butters like peanut, cashew, or almond butter can also be used. This may affect the flavor of your finished product. 1 egg equals 3 tablespoons of nut butter. Applesauce is a puree made from cooked apples. This may affect the flavor of your finished product. 1 egg equals 3/4 cup applesauce. Thank you for learning more about baking without eggs.